This video will show you how to use the green screen app to insert a background into your green screen video. If you made a stop motion animation video with the green background, you can insert any background into your video. After you've made your stop motion animation movie, save it to the photos on your iPad. When you're choosing your image for your background of your video, you want to be careful about choosing images that are protected by copyright. So we are going to get our images from an app called Unsplash. The images on this app are free to use and there's no penalty for using them. You can see the app Unsplash on the bottom right corner of the screen. It is the black and white app. So once you open the app, it is very simple. All you have to do is search for the kind of image that you're looking for. So you'll just have to decide what kind of background or what kind of environment your video is taking place in and search for that. And then once you type in your search, you'll have a lot of different options to choose from. When you find the image that you want, you'll need to save it to the iPad by tapping on the downward facing arrow in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. That will then save the image to the iPad. The next step is to go into the green screen app. That is the app that has the purple octopus on it. In the app, tap on the plus sign to create a new project. You can see that there are 3 layers with 3 plus signs. We're going to insert our background that we selected into the bottom layer by selecting that plus sign on the right side. And that will then give you access to your photos. So you can select the picture that you got from the Unsplash app. At that point, you can play around with the sizing and placement of the image, but it's important that it takes up the entire screen. The next step is to insert your video, so you'll want to select the plus sign on the next layer, and that will give you access to the videos and photos again. Choose your video that you want to insert, and then tap Use. So then your animation will be on top of your background. And at that point you can play around with the sizing and placement of the animation. At any point you can play the video to see what it looks like. After saving it, you'll be able to find it on the photos on the iPad.